When it comes to choosing windows for your New Orleans home, there's more to consider than just the aesthetic appeal. The climate in New Orleans can be challenging, with humid summers, rainstorms, and the occasional hurricane, making it essential to select windows that not only complement your home's style but also offer durability and energy efficiency. Finding the perfect balance between these factors will ensure your home remains comfortable, secure, and beautiful for years to come. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best window types for New Orleans homes, taking into account both style and durability. Double-hung windows. Classic elegance with durability. Double-hung windows are a timeless choice for homes in New Orleans, especially for homeowners looking for a traditional look. These windows feature two sashes, the parts that hold the glass, that slide vertically, allowing you to open the top or bottom of the window for ventilation. Double-hung windows are versatile and can work with both historic and modern home designs. Style. Double-hung windows add a classic, elegant touch to your home, especially in historic neighborhoods or traditional-style homes. They are perfect for balancing aesthetics with practicality, offering a clean, streamlined look that fits seamlessly into both old and new homes. Durability. In terms of durability, double-hung windows can be made from a variety of materials, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass. Vinyl double-hung windows are particularly well suited for the New Orleans climate, as they require little maintenance, resist moisture, and won't warp or rot over time. Properly sealed double-hung windows provide excellent weather resistance, helping to keep your home cool during hot, humid summers and warm during winter months. Casement windows. Energy efficiency and superior ventilation. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. They are one of the most energy-efficient window types available, as they provide an airtight seal when closed, making them ideal for homes in areas like New Orleans, where controlling indoor temperature is key. Style. Casement windows bring a modern and sleek appearance to your home. Their simple, clean lines fit beautifully with contemporary or mid-century modern home designs, while also complementing more traditional homes. They are particularly effective in spaces where you want to take advantage of natural light and provide unobstructed views. Durability. Casement windows are highly durable and offer superior weather protection. When fully opened, they create excellent ventilation, which is particularly useful during New Orleans' warm, muggy months. Since casement windows close tightly with a crank or handle, they're less likely to suffer from drafts or air leakage, ensuring energy efficiency and weather resistance. Hurricane-resistant windows. Protection against storms. Given New Orleans' proximity to the Gulf Coast, hurricane-resistant windows are essential for protecting your home from severe storms and high winds. These windows are specially designed to withstand the impact of flying debris during hurricanes, offering peace of mind for homeowners. Style. While hurricane-resistant windows are built for safety and protection, modern versions are available in a wide variety of styles, including casement, double-hung, and picture windows. You can choose a style that fits your home's aesthetic without sacrificing security. Durability. These windows are built with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames, ensuring they won't shatter under pressure. Many hurricane-resistant windows also come with UV protection and energy-efficient coatings, offering protection from both storms and the sun's heat. Installing these windows can greatly reduce your risk of damage during hurricane season and provide better insulation year-round. Sliding windows. Space-saving and versatile for homes where space is a premium, such as in apartments or townhouses. Sliding windows are an excellent choice. They open horizontally, making them perfect for areas where traditional windows may be impractical, such as near walkways, patios, or decks. Style. Sliding windows offer a contemporary look with sleek, clean lines. They allow for large glass areas, providing ample natural light and unobstructed views of your outdoor spaces. Sliding windows can fit both modern and traditional New Orleans homes, adding a minimalist charm that complements a variety of interior designs. Durability. Sliding windows are known for their durability. Made with heavy-duty materials such as vinyl or aluminum, they are resistant to the wear and tear of frequent use. Since they don't open outward, sliding windows are ideal for areas with limited space or homes with high wind resistance requirements, making them a good choice in storm-prone areas like New Orleans. Picture windows. Maximizing views and natural light. If your home is situated in an area with beautiful views, such as overlooking a garden, river, or city skyline, a picture window can enhance your living space by allowing you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that do not open, providing expansive views and abundant natural light. Style. Picture windows are perfect for homeowners who want to make the most of their scenic surroundings. Their wide glass panels make rooms feel more spacious and bright. While picture windows don't offer ventilation, they can complement other window types like casement or double-hung windows to balance both functionality and aesthetics. Durability. Though fixed, picture windows can be equipped with double or triple glazing, enhancing their energy efficiency. High-quality glass and sturdy frames ensure that these windows can withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions, providing long-term performance and durability. Conclusion. Choose the best windows for your New Orleans home. Choosing the right windows for your New Orleans home is about finding the perfect balance between style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're interested in the classic appeal of double-hung windows, the energy efficiency of casement windows, or the protection offered by hurricane-resistant windows, there's a window style that will suit your needs and enhance your home's curb appeal. Investing in high-quality, durable windows will not only improve the aesthetic of your home but also increase its energy efficiency and comfort, ensuring your family stays safe and comfortable for years to come. Reach out to a professional window installer to find the best solution for your New Orleans home today.